Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind one of the most vital aspects of our lives. Something we all love, yet often underestimate. Imagine if I told you there was a magic potion that could boost your brain power, enhance your mood, and even help you live longer. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that magic potion is real, and it's called sleep. So buckle up, because in this episode, we're not just talking about bedtime stories. We're uncovering the science-backed truths about sleep and why it's the cornerstone of a vibrant life. Let's dive in. Today, we're tackling a subject that's often taken for granted, but plays a pivotal role in our daily lives: sleep. Sleep isn't just a luxury, it's a fundamental necessity, intricately woven into the fabric of our well-being. In this episode, we'll explore the incredible importance of sleep in our everyday lives. We'll journey through the stages of sleep, dissect the impact of sleep deprivation on our minds and bodies, and uncover the intimate connection between sleep and our mental and physical health. But that's not all. We'll also share practical tips and tricks to enhance the quality of your sleep, ensuring you wake up every morning feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the power of a good night's sleep. Now, let's quickly outline what you can expect in today's video. First, we'll delve into the basics, understanding what sleep really is and why it's so crucial for our overall health. We'll then explore the detrimental effects of sleep deprivation, not only on our cognitive functions, but also on our emotional and physical well-being. After that, we'll unravel the intricate relationship between sleep and mental health, shedding light on how sleep influences our emotional resilience and stress levels. Following that, we'll zoom in on the impact of sleep on our physical health, from heart health to immune function. And fear not, by the end of this video, you'll have a toolbox of practical tips to enhance your sleep quality and transform your nights. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Understanding sleep. Sleep, a seemingly effortless state we enter every night, is a complex and essential part of our lives. So let's begin by unraveling its mysteries. Sleep is a natural, recurring state of mind and body characterized by altered consciousness, reduced sensory activity, and inactivity of nearly all voluntary muscles. It's a state where our minds and bodies undergo a series of intricate processes, which we categorize into stages. These stages, classified as REM, rapid eye movement, and NREM, non-rapid eye movement, play a crucial role in the quality and depth of our rest. Our internal sleep architecture is regulated by what's known as the circadian rhythm, our body's internal clock. This rhythm operates on a 24-hour cycle and is influenced by external cues such as light and darkness. The circadian rhythm not only dictates when we feel sleepy or alert, but also controls various physiological processes, including body temperature and hormone production. It essentially acts as our body's natural alarm clock, ensuring that we feel sleepy at night and awake during the day. Now let's talk about sleep cycles. These cycles are like the chapters of a book, each with its own unique characteristics and importance. During a typical night, we go through multiple sleep cycles, each lasting around 90 minutes. Within these cycles, we move from light NREM sleep to deep NREM sleep and then into REM sleep, where our brains become remarkably active and vivid dreaming occurs. This cyclical pattern repeats throughout the night, and the quality of these cycles greatly influences how refreshed and restored we feel upon waking. But how much sleep do we really need? Well, it varies across age groups. Newborns and infants require a whopping 14 to 17 hours of sleep, while toddlers need 11 to 14 hours. School-age children typically need 9 to 11 hours, and teenagers should aim for 8 to 10 hours. Adults, too, benefit from 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. It's not just about the duration. The consistency and quality of sleep are equally important. Adequate and restful sleep ensures that we're not just ticking off hours, but are actually giving our bodies the time they need to repair, regenerate, and prepare for the challenges of a new day. The impact of sleep deprivation. Sleep deprivation isn't just a minor inconvenience. It's a silent disruptor that wreaks havoc on our minds and bodies, affecting us in ways we might not even realize. Let's explore the profound consequences of sleep deprivation, peeling back the layers to understand just how detrimental it can be to our overall well-being. First and foremost, sleep deprivation takes a toll on our cognitive functions. Think of your brain as a high-performance engine. Without sufficient rest, it struggles to function optimally. Sleep-deprived individuals often experience impaired memory, reduced concentration, and compromised decision-making abilities. Your brain's ability to process information efficiently and effectively is significantly hampered, impacting both your personal and professional life. Emotionally, the effects of sleep deprivation are equally staggering. Imagine being constantly on edge, irritable, and prone to mood swings. Lack of sleep increases stress levels, making it difficult to handle even minor challenges. It's like wearing an emotional straitjacket, where your responses to situations become exaggerated and unpredictable. This emotional roller coaster not only affects your own well-being, but also strains relationships and interactions with others. The physical consequences of sleep deprivation are alarming. Your body's immune system weakens, leaving you vulnerable to illnesses. Moreover, sleep deprivation disrupts the delicate balance of hormones that regulate hunger and satiety. This imbalance often leads to weight gain, making it harder to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Additionally, chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to a heightened risk of developing serious health conditions such as diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and even certain types of cancer. It's like opening the door to a host of health problems, all because of insufficient rest. Looking at the bigger picture, the long-term consequences of consistent sleep deprivation are deeply concerning. Studies have shown a strong correlation between chronic sleep deprivation and mental health disorders such as depression and anxiety. Prolonged lack of sleep not only exacerbates existing mental health conditions, but can also be a precursor to their development. Moreover, the impact on life expectancy is startling. Research indicates that individuals consistently deprived of sleep face a reduced lifespan. It's a stark reminder that sleep is not a luxury, but a fundamental requirement for a long, healthy life. The connection between sleep and mental health. Our mental health and sleep are deeply intertwined, operating in a complex dance that significantly influences our overall well-being. It's not just a one-way street. The relationship between sleep and mental health is bidirectional, meaning each can profoundly affect the other. Let's delve into this intricate connection to understand just how vital quality sleep is for our emotional and mental stability. Firstly, consider the impact of sleep deprivation on mental health. When we don't get enough sleep, our brain's ability to regulate emotions becomes compromised. Lack of sleep disrupts the delicate balance of neurotransmitters, the chemicals in our brain responsible for mood regulation. This imbalance often leads to heightened anxiety, increased feelings of sadness, and a general sense of emotional instability. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation can contribute to the onset of mental health conditions such as anxiety disorders and depression. It's like pouring fuel on the fire of an already challenging situation, making it even harder to cope with life's stresses. Moreover, sleep plays a crucial role in emotional regulation and stress management. Think of sleep as the brain's reset button. During deep REM sleep, our brains process and make sense of emotions experienced during the day. It's a vital period where unresolved issues and pent-up emotions are processed, allowing us to wake up with a fresh perspective and a more balanced emotional state. Without this essential processing time, emotions can become overwhelming, leading to increased stress and a decreased ability to cope with challenges. Essentially, sufficient and restorative sleep equips us with the emotional resilience needed to navigate life's ups and downs. Understanding the bidirectional relationship between sleep and mental health emphasizes the importance of prioritizing sleep as a cornerstone of mental well-being. By ensuring we consistently get the recommended amount of quality sleep, we provide our minds with the necessary tools to face the world with clarity, emotional stability, and resilience. So remember, taking care of your sleep isn't just a luxury, it's a powerful investment in your mental and emotional health, fostering a positive outlook and enhancing your ability to handle life's complexities. Sleep and physical health. While we often associate sleep with a rested mind, its impact on our physical health is equally profound. Let's dive into the incredible ways in which sleep influences our cardiovascular health, immune system, and the intricate balance of hormones, metabolism, and appetite. First and foremost, let's talk about the heart. Adequate sleep is like a shield, protecting our cardiovascular system from a multitude of threats. Research has shown a strong link between insufficient sleep and an increased risk of heart disease, hypertension, and stroke. During deep sleep, our blood pressure drops, giving our heart and blood vessels a much-needed break. Chronic sleep deprivation disrupts this natural rhythm, putting a strain on the heart and elevating blood pressure. Over time, this strain can lead to serious cardiovascular issues. In essence, sleep acts as a powerful ally in maintaining a healthy heart, reducing the risk of life-threatening conditions. Moving on to our immune system, sleep is its best friend. While we sleep, our body produces and releases cytokines, proteins that help combat infections and inflammation. These cytokines play a pivotal role in fighting off viruses and bacteria, strengthening our immune response. Lack of sleep, however, suppresses the production of these vital proteins, leaving our immune system vulnerable and less effective in defending against illnesses. Ensuring we get enough sleep is akin to providing our immune system with the ammunition it needs to ward off diseases and keep us healthy. But sleep doesn't stop at protecting our heart and bolstering our immune system. It's also a master regulator of our hormones, metabolism, and appetite. When we sleep, our body balances hormones like leptin and ghrelin, which control hunger and satiety. Sufficient sleep ensures these hormones function optimally, helping us maintain a healthy weight and balanced diet. Additionally, sleep plays a role in regulating insulin, a hormone critical for managing blood sugar levels. Proper sleep supports insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. It's a delicate dance orchestrated by our body, emphasizing the integral role of sleep in maintaining a harmonious balance in our physical health. Understanding these intricate connections highlights the importance of honoring our body's need for sleep. By prioritizing our sleep, we are not just resting. We're actively safeguarding our cardiovascular health, fortifying our immune system, and supporting the delicate balance of hormones that dictate our overall physical well-being. So let's cherish our sleep as a fundamental pillar of our health, nurturing our bodies and minds for a vibrant life. Tips for improving sleep quality. Now that we understand the vital role sleep plays in our lives, let's explore some practical tips to enhance the quality of our sleep. These tips are not just suggestions, they are powerful tools that can transform your nights and, consequently, your days. So let's dive into the secrets of fostering a deep, restorative sleep that leaves you waking up refreshed and ready to conquer the world. First and foremost, let's talk about creating the perfect sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary, a place of peace and comfort. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows that support your body's natural alignment. Keep your room dark, quiet, and cool, as these conditions signal your body that it's time to rest. Maintaining a consistent, comfortable temperature can make a world of difference, ensuring you sleep undisturbed throughout the night. Developing a bedtime routine is another powerful tool to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Engage in relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or gentle yoga to calm your mind and prepare it for rest. Avoid electronic devices at least an hour before bedtime. The blue light emitted by screens interferes with the production of melatonin, the sleep-inducing hormone. Instead, opt for a calming activity like reading a book, allowing your mind to escape into the pages and away from the stresses of the day. Regular exercise is not just fantastic for your physical health, it's a game changer for sleep quality. Engaging in physical activities during the day helps expend energy, making it easier to fall asleep at night. However, aim to complete your workout several hours before bedtime, as exercising too close to sleep time might leave you feeling too energized to rest. Our dietary habits also significantly influence the quality of our sleep. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and nicotine close to bedtime. These substances can disrupt your sleep cycle and make it difficult to fall asleep. Opt for light snacks if you're hungry, and consider sleep-inducing foods like bananas, almonds, or a warm glass of milk, which contain natural sleep-promoting agents. Lastly, if you find yourself consistently struggling with sleep despite implementing these tips, it might be time to seek professional help. Sleep disorders, such as insomnia or sleep apnea, can significantly impact your quality of life. Consulting a sleep specialist can provide you with tailored solutions, ensuring you get the rest you need and deserve. Remember, your sleep is worth investing in. It's the foundation upon which your entire day is built. Conclusion. In closing, we've embarked on a journey through the fascinating realm of sleep, uncovering its profound impact on our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. We've learned about the stages of sleep, the detrimental effects of sleep deprivation, the intricate connection between sleep and mental health, and the pivotal role of sleep in maintaining a healthy body. It's not just about counting sheep, it's about investing in your overall health, happiness, and productivity. Remember, sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity, a fundamental building block of a vibrant life. By creating a sleep-conducive environment, developing a bedtime routine, exercising regularly, and being mindful of your dietary habits, you can transform your sleep quality and, consequently, your entire life. So let's prioritize sleep, giving our bodies and minds the rest they deserve. Your well-being depends on it. We would love to hear about your sleep experiences and any tips you have for getting a good night's rest. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your insights might just be the key to helping someone else on their journey to better sleep. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health, productivity, and personal growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with your friends and family. To start this journey today, click on the left video for a basic workout or the right one to discover how food affects your mood. We look forward to having you with us in our future explorations. Your time and attention are greatly appreciated. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, sweet dreams, and remember, your path to a healthier you starts with a good night's sleep.